What's the meaning of benefice? Benefice. Benefice.
Benefice. Benefice. The term benefice refers to an ecclesiastical office that carries with it certain rights and privileges, such as the right to receive income from land or property. In medieval Europe, benefices were commonly held by members of the clergy as a means of supporting themselves. The word itself comes from the Latin beneficium, meaning good deed or favor. While the holding of benefices has declined in modern times, the term is still used in some religious contexts to refer to a position of authority or privilege within a church. Benefices have been a subject of controversy throughout history, with critics arguing that they can lead to corruption and abuse of power.